Good morning. My name is Adam Gottlieb, and I'm a trust and estates attorney in Uniondale, New York. I've written a blog entry recently about discovery proceedings in estate administration, and I wanted to read it to you. The duty of an executor includes marshaling or obtaining control over the estate's assets. In certain circumstances, the executor cannot get control over the estate's assets because another person may have possession of an asset. If the executor believes that another person has possession of an estate asset or information about that asset, the executor may commence a discovery proceeding under New York's SCPA Section 2103 to attempt to discover information and/or obtain possession of that asset. The scope of a discovery proceeding can be extremely broad, and it has been likened to a fishing expedition, since the purpose of the proceeding is to learn about and/or obtain assets that may have been hidden from the executor's knowledge. As I alluded to above, there are two phases to a discovery proceeding. One, the inquisitorial phase, which permits the executor to inquire as to the property at issue and the possession thereof by the respondent, and two, the hearing phase, which may be required if the respondent disputes the ownership of the property at issue. This proceeding can be an important tool to obtaining information about the asset of the decedent when another person is hiding the asset. For example, when a child of the decedent is appointed executor of the estate and another child is hiding an asset, it's easy to see how a discovery proceeding may be needed in order for the executor to get the information he needs in order to marshal the decedent's assets. Another tool in the arena is a reverse discovery proceeding under SCPA 2105, which permits a person to seek information and/or an asset from an executor who is hiding the asset from the beneficiaries or the creditors. To understand the reverse discovery proceeding, just think of the same two children as I mentioned above, except assume that the child who's hiding the asset is the executor. The results of a discovery proceeding can lead the executor to an asset that previously was hidden, and that may be just the thing to permit the executor to move on to another phase of the estate administration. Well, thank you very much for listening today, and have a good day.